Are you tired searching for the right AI prompt to get the best tags and YouTube description so that you have the best chance to go viral on YouTube? And do you want an AI to do the work for you? Welcome to Tech Finance, where we explore technology and finance. Are you tired of writing description for your YouTube videos or searching for the best SEO based tags? Even nowadays, where AI is nothing new for the world, it's still hard for a lot of creators to write the best YouTube video description and find the best tags. In this video, I will show you how to write the right AI prompt to get the best YouTube description and tags for your YouTube videos so that you have the best chance to go viral. And without wasting more time, let's jump over to my screen. So what we're gonna need first is a title for our description and tags for the prompt. So in this case, we're gonna use how to go viral on YouTube, right? That's gonna be our title. So after the title, you're gonna mark it, copy it, and after that we're going to need an AI. So for that we have here three options: ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Grok. And in my case, I use the most I use is DeepSeek or Grok. And in this example we're going to use DeepSeek, right? So we're going to close ChatGPT and Grok. So here what we're gonna tell the AI, so what our prompt gonna be is, so first we're gonna tell him that we want description and tag, right? I want you to write me a YouTube video. We're gonna type video, not short. If it's a short, we're gonna type short, right? If it's a short video, we're gonna type I want you to write me a YouTube short video. If it's not a short, we're gonna type I want you to write me a YouTube video description and provide me with 30 tags. As we're gonna only type tags, it's gonna provide us only with 10 tags, and for YouTube we're gonna need like around 25 to 30 tags mostly. So we're going to tell him to provide me with 30 tags. After that we're going to provide him the information so that he can provide us the description and tags. So we're going to tell him title is, now we're going to paste the title what we copied before. After that we're going to tell him that the description and tags should have an SEO score of 100, right? So that's what we're going to tell him. After that we're going to tell him choose the tags which are relevant to the video title and are searched the most on YouTube. That's what we want, right? So lastly, that's an extra tip, so you save a little bit of time. We're gonna tell him tags should separated with comma, not numbers. So that's we're gonna tell him because he's gonna list up the tags in numbers, and we can just easily copy the tags and paste it into YouTube. So that's why I tell him to separate it with comma instead of tag, so we can easily copy and paste it. Otherwise we have just to simply give this command afterwards. He provided all the description and tags, but to not get that much confused, we're gonna give him the full prompt once. So that's gonna be our full prompt. Now we're gonna press enter. He's gonna be thinking about it. That's gonna take a bit of time. So now he has thought for 29 seconds, and that's what he came up with. So the YouTube description is, want you video to go viral. That's a good question on YouTube. Then discover the secrets to mastering the YouTube algorithm, boosting your views and creating content that explodes. In this video, we break down proven strategies like keyword optimization, trend checking, thumbnail hacks, and audience retention tricks to turn your channel into a viral sensation. It sounds very good and interesting. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and copy the whole description that ends basically here after that hashtag. We're gonna go back to our document file and paste it in here. Here what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a few spaces in here so it looks good and appealing to the viewers on our video. So that's how our description is gonna be look like under our videos. So once we have the description, we need the tags, and as you can see, he has provided us 30 tags, high searched volume, SEO based tags, and has separated already with commas, not numbers. Normally he would separate it in numbers. So we're gonna go copy that back to our document file and paste it in here. So that's all what we need to get the best SEO based description and tags for our YouTube video. And once more, the prompt for this to get this description and the tags is, I want you to write me a YouTube video description and provide me with 30 tags. Title is how to go viral on YouTube in our case. The description and tags should have an SEO score of 100. Choose the tags which are relevant to the video and video title and are searched the most on YouTube. Tags should separated with comma, not numbers. That's the full prompt on how to write the best or the SEO based or the right prompt for your YouTube video description and tags. So I hope I could help you with this video. That would be the end result. Our title is here, our description is here, and our tags are here. It looks great, it's appealing, and it looks professional. So that's all from my side. I hope I could help you. I would appreciate if you leave a like, leave a comment, what video should I do next, on what topic, and how you like this video so far. And